How to apply zoom effect on VN editor app. Now let's get started. First of all, launch the VN application in your mobile device. Now import a video from your device. Now once you have exported your video, now if you would like to apply the zoom in and out effect, first of all tap on your video. A small menu bar will pop up on your interface. From there, tap on keyframe. Now a keyframe has been added to your video. Again, add another keyframe. Now again add the third keyframe to your video. Now come back to second keyframe, and here with the help of your fingertip you can simply tap and zoom out your video in the editor. Now once you do that, if you play your video from the very beginning, you will see the changes and the zoom in and out effect has been applied to your video. Now play your video once from the beginning, and as you can see, the zoom in and out has been applied in VN with the help of keyframe. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.